Hi everyone. As part of the today's session, we will be looking at switch statements. Basically, a switch case executes a block of a code. Okay, depending on the value for a given expression. Consider that a day. If the day value is a Monday, execute this piece of a code. If the day value is a Tuesday, execute this piece of a code. If the day value is Wednesday, then execute this piece of a code. So for a single variable, if there are a multiple sets of a values, right? In order to handle that, we will be using this particular switch. So here I'm using this particular one, example on switch dot ts. Okay, example on a switch dot ts. Let weekday of, okay, this is gonna be a string definitely, is equal to Monday. See guys, if you remember, we have added a GitHub Copilot in the previous sessions, right? Whenever I'm trying to write something, right, automatically my Copilot is prompting me the things. See, in the line when I have a defined a weekday of a string Monday, automatically my Copilot is giving me suggestions. Buddy, you can use a switch on a weekday. I just performed a tab, and if the value is a Monday, execute this logic, add a break statement. If the value is a Tuesday, this one. See, I'm just pressing a tab operation, guys. So here for this switch case, I haven't done anything. I'm just pressing a tab operation. Automatically, my Copilot is putting everything for me. See here, I just pressed the tab for 5 to 6 times. The whole lines of a code got generated by my Copilot itself. For every case, it's a mandatory for us to add a break. See, basically, if you look at the syntax, for the switch, you will be giving a variable which has a multiple sets of values. Individual case represents the individual set of values. See, if this case value is a Monday, execute this piece of a code and break this, which is come out from this particular switch case. You no need to go further and you no need to perform anything. The reason is my actions got completed. If my day value is a Tuesday, execute this piece and come out. And the same way for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like that. So here we have a given input as Monday. Let me try to run this particular program. Save it. Let me try to run this program and check it out in the console. See here, today is Monday, got a printed. For suppose I have a given input as someday. Okay, if you look at these cases, right, we have a case for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We don't have any case for someday, but there is a default one. Okay, when I run it, so if you look at here, basically, okay, unexpected default. Just 1 second. Let me save it and let me run it once. Okay, let me run it once. So here the invalid day got a printed down to the console. So this is the way. Okay, so I haven't done anything. I just skipped to save it. And when I saved it, automatically it got executed successfully. So the point here is whenever you are giving something, the some value, which is not part of your cases, then it will go to the default block and it will execute the content present in the default block. Okay, it will go to the default block and it will execute the content present inside the default block. Okay, perfectly all right. Good. Done the deal. So this is all about the switch cases, guys. In the next session, we will see about a for loops. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.